Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for digital forensics with eDiscovery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for the digital forensics with eDiscovery course, start by visiting the official website of the educational provider. Look for the courses or programs section on the homepage. Select Digital Forensics with eDiscovery from the list of available courses. Click on the course title to view more details. Review the course description, prerequisites, and any requirements for registration. Locate the Register Now or Enroll button on the course page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in your personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Provide any additional information requested, such as your educational background. Create a secure password for your account, ensuring it meets the security criteria. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. After completing the form, review all information for accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Follow any further instructions provided in the confirmation email. If required, proceed to make any payment to secure your spot in the course. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive another email with course access details. Log into the course platform using the credentials you created. Begin exploring the course materials and resources available to you. You are now registered for digital forensics with eDiscovery. Enjoy your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.